Hi, my name is Lisa Johnson from SquareOne Training. I'm going to show you today how to change PowerPoint presentations with boxes and make boxes into pictures and change the shapes of them. Today I will be using PowerPoint 2010 to achieve this. So first of all, I'm going to put in a new slide. And for the new slide, I'm going to choose the actual blank one. I'm going to choose that from the home area. And on this slide, what I would like to do is I would like to create boxes from the drawing area. So if you look at the home area, you'll see it says drawing, and there is standard shapes on there. And if you click the double down arrow, there is more to choose from. So to make this easier, I'm going to do a rectangle. And the rectangle is drawn, and I am now going to change the actual shape of it and put a picture inside. So to first of all do that, you double click onto the picture, and by doing that, that will bring up the actual tools for the box or the shape that you've actually double clicked on. And then up here you will see it says shape fill, and that is in the format area. And if I click the down arrow and choose picture, I'll put in my company logo. Okay, so you can see my logo's appeared. I'll just widen that out a little tiny bit for now. And I want to now change this. So whereas normally people do insert picture, which does work, get the same effect, this is far more powerful putting it inside the box, because now we have that feature. If you have a look up here, you will see it says edit shape, and by doing that I can click on it and I can simply look at all the different shape techniques on here. So change shape, I'm going to say, well, what does my logo look like in a cube? And you can see that that could be quite effective. Again, down arrow, change shapes. Might want it as a block arrow, maybe back to square one with the arrow. And you can see that's drawn that. Stretch it out a little bit for you. You'll also see here that we've got yellow things. The yellow is to widen things. So if I come up here, pull out the yellow, could get more of the square one in. And this yellow triangle might be to change the shape of the arrowhead. You can mess with that and do all sorts of shaping till you get the right effect. So great to do, very useful to change a shape. You can also, when you have a shape, do Control D, and Control D in PowerPoint is duplicate. And by doing that, that will give you another one, but it will offset it by 2 places. So if you want to, you can go 1, 2, 3 up on the keyboard, and 1, 2 maybe down, whatever it needs to line it up. Once you've done that, you can bring it down. And I'm bringing it down by using the down arrow on the keyboard to make sure that it's lined up. And then maybe with this one, I may want to change the shape and say, well, I'll have an arrow maybe going the other way after all. Okay, and whatever you want to do with it, again, dimensions, shaping, etc. So to turn a graphic into something else, draw it first in a shape, double click on it, and then that will take you to shape fill, where you can choose your picture. I hope you enjoyed that blog, and I hope your pictures will be more interesting. Thank you.